headlines. Manipur protests over baby Sana's death enters 4 weeks. Foundation stones of School Fagathansi mission laid in 60 constituencies in Manipur. Authorities hope to gradually bring back normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir after a 2-week lockdown. Hello, this is Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. In Manipur, thousands of people today staged a massive dharna demonstration across the state to press for justice after Ningthaujam Baby Sana, a 13-year-old girl, was found dead under mysterious circumstances inside the boarding of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal on July 18 last. Since her death, there has been a sustained agitation spearheaded by the Joint Action Committee across the state demanding prompt justice for the minor girl from Imphal's Thangmaiband. Today's demonstration was held under the aegis of the JAC as part of the weeks-long agitation.
Hi, Riba, Maya Lengak Lon Gimaputuna, telephone number to Pidana later. Nang nakoy inungay taba mayam do ay koy da hayra u hayre adu ore bodi ay ngasigi phammi ba koy saba mayam sida ay na thamjaning badi ay koy wakat se tabi gadaba adu gumbagi maya ay da leiri ba adu gumba lengak lon du da koy hayra sira ay ba wakal se adu ba khalle hay jabagi wani da
ngasigi lengak asina ngasi phawba Achumba langlalangjin puthokpa ngamdriba si karigino haina akhoi praja na hangni achummaran ngasi bawa puthokpa ngamdana praja aikhoina charangna na tangdu laitadana lehaliba se ngasi government sigina aphabadi oiroi aduna achumba atuba matamda achum arala do puthokpina ba khoina jingjari
Bibisna gi misigi matangdani masi achumba langlalangjin puthokpiduna achumba wayen phanghan biwo haiduna phamjabani adugi mathakta larik tamba phangdana lairiba isa sing ase awaresol asi pubiralaga di khara thuna lai tamba phangan biu haiduna ngasi ekhoina ngasi dharana ase phamjabani
mai maseng tamiba ngang amabu mafang khangna manghan giba haujuk phau langla langjing thokba ngamdaba masi kidamak ta khoi thamoi songna nuaite adui mathakta kana magi mama macha oibo oiragadi mama adugi thamoi da kari phaugadaba mapa adugi thamoi da kari phaugadaba anga amagi mahai tabam matamda isa gi isugi matik chana magun chana na bahai na semkhaliba machabul lamang mangan bahai bache mama oibo akhoi gi punamaki wona thamoi sopa thabakni.
Foundation stones of School Fagathansi mission were laid in all the 60 constituencies of the state today, which aimed at elevating every government school in Manipur. School Fagathansi mission was launched by Chief Minister N. B. Rain on January 18 last. School Fagathansi mission is an initiative started by Biren government with an objective to develop government schools across the state for overall development in shaping future pillars of the society. It was first launched at Yumnam Huidrom Government High School.
School Kankaliba Humpuzi Manunga Humpusida once posting Pikraba Adugi was asking to the Tangai Fadina Sahi whom they might be out of Bibatai. And in the larger interest, Madu was asking the shoe like I gi Botter this Kara MLA, Dugi Kanba Walker, Thiraga MLA, the one who Masimato with them. Madu Hector Rokana MLA in Yam, why the port pig reputed Kalakoninago. And the Walker Thiraga was asking the one who be the 60 Zita Gramatung, the Lemho, about 2000 Karase, Aquina Hanakoi Department Miami meeting Torga. Nasiski the proposal thar o haidana adna koi school lisingani mukshi jo koi moida proposal torkanda school fagathansi mission gi makha da koi huji state ki limited resource ni na loina cover to bangamdre school 60 kata tauri aduna remaining 2000 si masi cover to na ba financial assistance PBU haidana koi moida su request tawkhre adu aina sum khanbada moi harauna yabirakani haidana khalle.
Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam laid the foundation stone of School Phagatansi mission at Sekmai Kumbi High School in Hairo constituency at the school premises. The event was organized by ZEO Zone 3 Thoubal. Addressing the occasion, Minister Radheshyam said that foundation stones for the mission were laid in all the 60 constituencies of the state. He stated that building a good educational environment is a must for inclusive development of students.
Oza matik sana lehanba, oza singna training hazana piba, equipment, computer gumma kari gumma adu singna hapsil lakpa. Angang singna akona lairik tamiba laisu tamiba kari yahon ngada gaya kana. Yahon ngada report se knowledge di.
Under the mission, MLA of Wangjing Temtha today laid the foundation stone at Wangjing High School. Meanwhile, at Khangabok, the foundation stone of the mission was laid by local MLA Okram Surajit at Khangabok Higher Secondary School. On the other hand, for Thoubal constituency, W. Ibo Chauba of Thoubal Municipal Council, Ward number 9, laid the foundation stone for Ningombam Ideal High School. MLA of Wangkim constituency, K. Megha Chandra at Yaripok High School, and Lilong constituency, MLA Abdul Nasir at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar today laid the foundation stone School Phagatansi mission for Moirangpuril High School at Moirangpuril Andhra constituency, Imphal East. Speaking as the chief guest of the function, Shyam Kumar lauded the School Phagatansi mission initiated by the Chief Minister under the Education Department. Stating that the mission is a long-term vision of Chief Minister, he said that without education, overall development cannot be brought in the society and the state. He further said that good education is necessary so that our students, who are the future pillars of the state, can compete with the students outside the state. He said the mission will definitely help in shaping the future and improving the children. Stating that the Moirangpuril High School is fortunate to have been selected under the mission, he said the Andhra constituency has 6 government high schools, 3 aided schools, Azad Secondary High School and 9 private schools. ZEO of Zonal 2, Salam Shanta Kumar Singh, Headmaster of Moirangpuril High School, KSH Johnson Singh, Social Worker M. Thoiba Singh, teachers and students of Moirangpuril High School and elders of the area attended the function. More than 50,000 landline phones have been made operational today after services in 15 telephone exchanges of the Kashmir Valley were restored on the 13th day of lockdown. Schools and colleges in Kashmir will reopen area-wise next week as authorities hope to gradually bring back normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir after a 2-week lockdown. The restoration of exchanges has enabled landline services in Budgam, Sonamarg and Manigam areas of central Kashmir. In North Kashmir, the services have been restored in Gurez, Tangmarg, Uri, Kiran, Karna and Tangdhar areas. In South Kashmir, the landline services have been made operational in Kazigand and Pahalgam areas. Schools and colleges in Kashmir will reopen area-wise next week as authorities hope to gradually bring back normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir after a 2-week lockdown. Telephone line services, including mobile phones and landlines, were suspended in the early hours of August 5th when the centre abrogated provisions of Article 370 that gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir. Let's have a short commercial break, but do stay tuned for more updates on the other side of the break.
Is looking for qualified, young and energetic applicants for the following post: optometrist, X-ray technician, clinical assistant or nursing staff. Interested candidates can apply for the above post with their biodata and certificates before 26th August 2019 between 9 am to 3 pm. Interview will be held on 27th August 2019 at 2:30 pm. Gunamani Eye Clinic, Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi, Imphal East.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khangan bangam lagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi na traga sengde haiba gi chingna badu kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsin birau.
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. MLA of Nambol constituency and Loken laid the foundation stone of state government school Bhagathansi mission at Laimapokpam Public School, Nambol. The mission has been initiated by the BJP-led state government in an effort to bring equality education in government schools across the state. MLA of Jiribam district MD Ashab Uddin also laid the foundation stone of school Bhagathansi mission at Netaji High School, Jiribam during a function held at the school premises. Besides MLA MD Ashab Uddin, District Commissioner of Jiribam M. Rajkumar, Zonal Educational Officer of Jiribam L. Roshan Maitei and other distinguished guests attended the event. MLA of Thengnopal District D. Karungthang laid a foundation stone at More Government High Secondary School, More today. MLA D. Karungthang, Principal of More Government Higher Secondary School, S. Sokhothang Haukip, ADC Chandil Tongpao Mate, DC of Thengnopal District H. Rupachandra, ZDO of Thengnopal A. Arun Kumar and ADC Lamboy Gangte were present at the function. The MLA along with other officials inspected the infrastructure of the school. Speaking on the occasion, MLA D. Karungthang said schools should be kept at bay from politics and should not be allowed to influence under any circumstances.
Health services Misang mirai mikai nairaba, asan mirai naibiraba, adudi paapugani, achumba sarkar ne hairoi. Aphabat tawbadudi phai habatabani, phattaba tawbadudi phatte habatabani. Ngasi si IC opposition MLA ni. Sarkar aphabat pakhak tawra abadi madu phai habatabani, aphabat tawra phatte haiba adudi aphabat mina ten mo haibatabani. Babu Pay Hana Hayo Sumadu Achumba Chatraba Leba Nehabatabani. Aduna Chumdabadi, Chumbe and Haibangam Gadawa, Achumbadi, Achumbani Haibangam Gadawa, Adunangasi, School Fakatan Seva Mission Simasi, Achuma Kongtangni, Apabatavangni.
Decrying village authority committee's alleged negligence towards development for predominantly Marine populated Koijam village under Machi block of Thengnopal district, the villagers have warned a series of agitations if the concerned authority chooses to turn a deaf ear to the issue. A senior village leader, Angai, accused the village authority committee of indulging in favoritism and nepotism, which he said was the principal reason for backwardness of Koijam village. He urged upon the Manipur government to look into the matter. Tree Planters Organization for Save Environment, Hairok today kick-started a 4-day-long tree plantation campaign at its premises under Hairok Part 2, Thokchom Lekai. Secretary of the organization, N. Biren Maitei, said that the campaign began 2 years back with a vision to bring green revolution in the Hairok area. He added, Minister T.H. Radheshyam and others have made contribution in the initiative taken up by the organization. As a part of the campaign, several saplings, particularly medicinal plants, will be planted across Hairok, he informed. The blockade on Yaribongarian Road stretched in Andhra constituency was suspended today following an agreement was reached between the agitators and officials of Public Works Department. As per reports, the concerned authority has assured the agitating residents that restoration work on the road will begin from August 19. Now time for a short break.
Thangmiban GM College Road ta laiba GM Departmental gi ahan Foundation Day August 13 ta thokle. Masiga mari lainana shop asida fangliba item sing da akhanaba discount pijaragani. August 13 ta gi horaga August tha asima discount asi pijagani. Pijariba khudong chaba si GM Departmental da lengsin brektuna lobiyo. Fanganjari item sing di grocery items, nupagi, nupigi amadi angang singi oiba Jockey, Calvin Klein, Macroman, Macro Woman, Tommy Hilfiger hariba brand sing asigi firol kaya amsu phangbiragani. Lengsin Biraksi GM Departmental, Thangmiban GM College Road, contact number 97748588053. Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Laikai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. The 10th Sirarakong Hathai Fanit, a 3-day chili festival, will be held from August 22nd to 24th at Sirarakong village of Ukhrul district, organized by Sirarakong Phongwa and Sirarakong Hathai Promotion Committee. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Chairman of the organizing committee V. Ningkham Zimik said that discussion, entertainment and cultural programs will be part of the festival. The objective behind this festival is to promote the organic chili called Sirarakong chili. Zimik called on all sections of the society for their support to make the festival success. The villagers in Sirarakong village have been celebrating this festival since 2009. The Sirarakong village is located about 66 km from capital Imphal and comprises of over 200 households who mainly depend on farming for their survival. Although this particular vibrant colored chili is being named as Sirarakong chili, named after the village where it is grown, it is also locally known as Hathai. A fully grown Hathai chili even grows up to 8 inches long and is planted in March and harvested in July and August. An NSCN-IM major, Toshi Yepthao, who reportedly gunned down by 2 unidentified masked gunmen last evening at this Dimapur residence, Nagaland. According to a report, the gunmen also fired at Toshi Yepthao's wife. However, she escaped unhurt. A joint team of NIA and local MI unit in Nagaland arrested a stealth-styled lieutenant of militant group NSCN-IM, Yangte Yosaham, for his alleged involvement in the killing of Konsa West MLA Tirong Abo and 10 others. Yangte Yosaham, a self-styled lieutenant of NSCN-IM and area commander of the outfit in Arunachal Pradesh's Lodging district. He was arrested from Dimapur in Nagaland yesterday. Sitting MLA and NPP Assembly poll candidate Tirong Abo and 10 others were shot dead in Tirap district of Arunachal Pradesh on May 21st. The Chakma tribesmen across Tripura, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh have observed Black Day today to commemorate the tragedy of their inclusion in the then East Pakistan by the Indo-Pakistan Border Demarcation Commission headed by British barrister Cyril Radcliffe before partition. The Theravadi Buddhist Chakmas and 9 other tribal groups in Chittagong hill tracts of Bangladesh has expressed their keen desire to be included in India in view of their Hindu and Buddhist identity. The Sita Jakhala Dugha Utpadak Samavai Samiti and Assam Dairy Board threw away about 1,000 litres of milk into the Killing River in Jagi Road, Assam. The Sita Jakhala Samiti members took this drastic step of throwing away their produce in protest against the central government's policies on dairy farming and the state government's negligent attitude towards the farmers. They launched an indefinite protest rally. The Samiti has urged the Sarbananda Sonowal-led government to take strict measures against Puravi Dairy for trying to interfere with the local milk production. The incident drew widespread criticism from across the nation. People have expressed disappointment, citing that in a state where lakhs of people are deprived of nutrition, 1,000 litres of milk has been wasted. Former Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley is in critical condition and a team of multidisciplinary doctors is supervising his treatment at the intensive care unit of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Media reports said today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited Jaitley around 11:30 p.m. yesterday, an hour after Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath went to the hospital to inquire about his health. President Ramnath Kovind also paid a visit to Jaitley, accompanied by Union Health Minister Harshvardhan and Minister of State for Health Ashwini Choubey yesterday. Jaitley, 66, was admitted to AIIMS on August 9 after he complained of breathlessness and restlessness. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump conveyed the importance of India and Pakistan reducing tensions through bilateral dialogue on the Kashmir issue during a phone call with Prime Minister Imran Khan yesterday. The phone conversation between Trump and Khan took place before the closed-door consultation of the 15 members of the UN Security Council in New York. Trump spoke with Khan to discuss regional developments and to follow up on latest visit to Washington, D.C. last month. The two leaders further discussed how they will continue to build on the growing relationship between the United States and Pakistan and the momentum created during their recent meeting at the White House, according to media reports. Now time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manipur joins nation in celebrating 73rd Independence Day. Chief Minister urges people not to bring in illegal migrants. India to finally have Chief of Defence Staff. State BJP salutes Vajpayee on death anniversary. Rio re-raises Naga integration bogey. Baby Sana's case, nephew holds candlelight vigil at Delhi. JC2 organized sit-in protest today. Imphal Free Press. State joins nation in celebrating 73rd Independence Day. CM urges people not to bring in illegal immigrants. Indianization is acceptable, however separatization is not, says Guy Kangam. JNIMS Teachers Association for Fair Prom demands revocation of Dr. State's Chief Minister. Protests at DU demanding justice for Baby Sana. The Morning Bell. 73rd Independence Day observed. CM raises concern on illegal migrants, urges to shun actions risking future of the state. State BJP pays tribute to A.V. Vajpayee. Great loss if state doesn't develop while BJP in power at center. Minister Vishwajit inaugurates ex-servicemen's memorial park. We are independent but yet to address many deficiencies, says Radhesham. Minister Jayant Kumar distributes checks amounting Rs 57.5 lakhs to 5 ADCs.
Now before we wrap up the top stories once again. Manipur protest over Baby Sana's death enter 4 weeks. Foundation stones of School Fagathansi mission laid in 60 constituencies in Manipur. And authorities hope to gradually bring back normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir after a 2-week lockdown. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.